she's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better.
This part of the vlog, I'm going to show you guys some of the things I picked up from the last Sephora VIB sale. I don't know how long it's going to take to upload this portion of the vlog, but anytime you see that there is a VIB sale at Sephora, this is what you're going to do if you want to rack up on some fragrance and save some money. So let me show you guys what I did and what I ended up getting during the sale. So I got this one right here. This one actually comes with a really decent amount of minis, actual miniature perfumes, not just a little sample set. So I got this one and I got this one. If you go to Sephora often, then you have seen these sampler sets. Next time you see them and you want to try out new perfume, it's actually worth trying out. So I got this first one. This is a purple one with this little pouch. So not only do you get all these samples inside, you also get the pouch and one free full-size bottle from this pack. So what you're going to do the next time you go to Sephora, you're going to buy this, but before you buy it, you're going to look and see which one of these you would actually like and go try them out on the perfume counter and spray them. If one of them catches your eye, if one of them smells really good to you, you're going to go ahead and purchase this. And then at the register, you're going to open it. They're going to have a little gift card in there or a little card in there for you to scan to get that full-size bottle. So that's what I did for this one as well as this one. Now, this is a trick on how you're going to save money while doing this. You're going to buy these only when there is a VIB sale, okay? So the next time there's a Sephora sale, you're going to buy these because not only is it already discounted, you're going to get 10, 15, or 20% off based off of what status you are in the Sephora squad, okay? So I think I am a Rouge member, so I think I got 20 or 15%, whatever it was. I got a cute little discount. As a matter of fact, let me show you my receipts. So here are my receipts, okay? So according to my receipt, I got 20% off. So I think I'm a Rouge member. Yes, I am a Rouge member. So I was able to snag 20% off. So instead of it being $95, I got it for $76. Okay, so not only did I get a little pouch plus the samplers, I also got a full size bottle of fragrance for $76. Let's go. Okay, so for this one, I got it for $76, and then this one was $98, and I got it for $78.40. Okay, you see the price? There's the price, there's the price. Okay, so now what you're going to do, after you've gone to the counter and you looked at all these in here and you go smell them, you're then going to purchase these and pick out your fragrance. So as you can see in this one, there is the commodity milk. Now, this is the one that stood out to me the most, and it's a perfume I've been wanting to try for a very long time. So guess what, you guys? I basically got this big perfume for, literally, I got the commodity milk for $76. Okay? That's how much I bought this one for overall, because I got 20% off because I bought it during the sale. So I got a huge, this thing, I think this retails for like $160. I'm not sure, but I know it's over $100. I got it for less than $100, plus again, all these samplers inside. And let me show you what the samplers look like on the inside. Cute little pouch, toiletry bag. And I got all these samplers so I can go ahead and test these fragrances out and shop the next time I want it. But yes, I got all of these samples, okay, for $76. So this next set I got for $78, but this one is so worth it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Look at all these cute little miniatures that are inside of here. I've been trying to kind of build up slowly a mini collection so that I could use them for travel, and here we are. I have so many minis to add to my collection, and I'm super excited. There's the original commodity milk, so I still have it in a mini version, and I get to get this plus this Rare Beauty fragrance. This is the one that is in here. As you can see, there's the mini, and here is the full-size bottle that I was able to get for $78 on top of getting these. Now, I could have got a Carolina Herrera, but I already have her. The clean was okay, and then the Joe Malone just was not my vibe, so it only made sense to get the Rare Beauty. And again, there's a commodity milk in here. I already have that. But the next time you are at Sephora, buy these sets during the sale so you can get a full-size bottle of fragrance and some perfume samples or minis, and you're gonna save some money for like $70. Okay, bye y'all.